Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your documents to OneDrive. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer your documents to OneDrive, start by ensuring you have a Microsoft account. Open your web browser and navigate to OneDrive's official website. Sign into your Microsoft account using your email and password. Once logged in, you'll see your OneDrive interface. Locate the Upload button, usually found at the top of the page. Click on the Upload button to reveal a drop-down menu. Choose Files if you want to upload individual documents. Select Folder if you wish to upload an entire folder of documents. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to browse your computer. Navigate to the folder or file you want to upload. Select the document or folder by clicking on it. Then click the Open button in the File Explorer window. Your selected files will now begin uploading to OneDrive. You can monitor the upload progress in the bottom right corner. Once the upload is complete, you will see your documents listed in OneDrive. To organize your files, consider creating folders within OneDrive. Click the New button and select Folder to create a new folder. Name your folder appropriately and click Create. You can then drag and drop documents into your newly created folder. If you need to upload more documents, simply repeat the upload process. To ensure your documents are easily accessible, you can also download the OneDrive app on your devices. This will allow you to upload and sync files directly from your computer or mobile device. With OneDrive, your documents are securely stored in the cloud and can be accessed from anywhere. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.